Alright, what is ZOHO Campaigns? ZOHO Campaigns is one of the tools we have within ZOHO, okay? You know, ZOHO has various integrated tools like Forms, CRM, and others. ZOHO Campaigns helps us create marketing campaigns, right? It's for email marketing, sending emails to customers, followers, and others. As you can see, it offers great personalization, which is one of its key features. It's also known for its integration capabilities. It has A/B testing, where you test emails on small groups before sending to all. It also has contact pathing and various workflows. I've tried it, and I find it a very comprehensive tool that delivers as promised. The tool is designed solely for email campaigns, and that's what it does well. So to get started, we'd simply click on Get Started, okay? And from there, we could begin without any issues. Alright, to start with ZOHO Campaigns, the first thing we need to do is add contacts, okay? Because we can't send an email to anyone if we don't have contacts, right? So how can we add contact? Here are different options to import contacts through various CRMs like ZOHO CRM, Salesforce, etc. We can import directly with a CSV or XLSX file up to 25 megabyte, or we can go to contacts, all contacts, okay? Here we can add them manually, okay? It's a bit more tedious, but it's up to you. We can also add them through a contact sign-up form. We create it, okay? We can use a template, like for the email, this one, use template, okay? And that's it, we'd have the thing done. We click save and proceed. I won't explain customization as it's super intuitive. This way we'd acquire contacts for our email marketing campaign, okay? Now we could start creating email campaigns. How to create an email marketing campaign with ZOHO Campaign. Okay, first of all, we need to have the contact. Once we have the contact set up, we go to campaigns and click on email campaign. As you can see, campaigns can be either email or SMS. Okay, we click create campaign. In this case, we're making an email campaign. We can do A/B testing, which is very interesting. Okay, we can create a form, we can do a survey, okay, and so on. The usual choice would be a regular email, okay? So we're going to give it a name, for example, test. We'll save and proceed. Now we'll add it's an email, that's all there is to it, okay? You add the subject, right? What's this about? Well, this is a test, okay? That's it. Obviously, don't actually write this, please, okay? Who are we going to be sending it to? Sorry, who's sending it? Okay, in this case, my email, or if you want to use another, you can, okay? The name, my name, okay? So one-click tutorial, okay? Click on save. This is the sender, all right? Then the recipient, who'll get it? Our contact list, okay? We want just one segment to receive it for A/B testing, got it? We create the segment, okay? If not, use the contact list. As you can see, I have none here. Click on save, then we create the content. Use a template or make our own. Making your own is easy, don't worry. Let's pick a template, okay? For example, this one here, we have the editor on the left, see? Add text, images, socials, spacers, dynamic content. We can add videos too. There's videos, found it, okay? How to add a video. Just select video, alright? Click video, select, and drag it. And you drag it and say, okay, what's the video name? What's the URL? Go ahead, put it in and they'll let you, okay? Same with the text, same with text and other tools, alright? And when you're done, you can view it, okay? There we'd have the view collected and all. Obviously, these are clickable, but since we used a template without changes, they don't work, okay? But this is the email they'll receive. And if we want, we can do an email test, okay? We send it to 5, wow, our own email, and we can test it, okay? Let's send it to ourselves, come on. Okay, I've sent it. Let's go check it out. And look, there we have it, okay? With Happy International Friendship Day and all, okay? Plus, as you see, I can even save the images. So yeah, it's that simple, okay? This would be the message we'd receive. So yeah, I hope you liked it. We can show advanced options if we want to get a bit more picky and all. Alright, how can we create a workflow with ZOHO Campaign? Why would we want to do that, right? Well, basically to automate users, or rather the sending of emails, okay? So let's go to automations, click create my first workflow, and as you can see, we have different options here, okay? Let's select, for example, I'll send a message to my contacts and move them to my CRM, okay? We use this template, and here they're going to explain a bit about it, right? So if we fill out a submission form, okay, we'd select the form here, well, I don't know, any login form, right? The user will receive a response, okay? What kind of response do we want? Well, whatever. We'd wait about 2 hours and then push the contact we've received to a CRM. As you can see, they let us do a ton of things here, okay? The trigger is what activates the workflow, got it? Here, for example, someone has submitted a workflow, right? Form submission. But if we want someone to have taken action in our email, okay? Well, we'll select email action, alright? We'd pick the email, though I don't have any here, and choose what we want it to do, okay? The process is, once we've received the email, what happens next? Well, maybe there are two outcomes, A or B, right? Depending on whatever. Or we want multiple options for different emails, not always the same one. We want email activity, okay? And finally, the actions, right? For example, doing an A/B test, got it? They've done it all for us here. It's not even challenging. They give you version A, B, and the best one becomes the answer for everyone, okay? The option to send an email, SMS, or wait, okay? Add or remove scores or send data to the CRM, which we had here, right? Create a task or push data. For instance, creating a task would be quite useful, wouldn't it? If someone's shown interest in your product and replied, a task to respond manually might be worthwhile, right? Ultimately, automations are for streamlining repetitive processes, that's all, okay? You can automate everything, absolutely. I think ZOHO campaigns might not be ideal for 100% automation, alright? Perhaps tools like BotPress would be more suitable. But if you're dealing directly with customers, they might prefer a scheduled call, you know? CRM style, you book a call and sell. Better than a chatbot that won't close as many deals, right? So that's how automations work. Finally, we hit activate and we're done. Alright, let's check out the payment plans. We'll click upgrade and look at ZOHO campaigns pricing, okay? Let's go to the subscription section, monthly plan. No data here, cool. Now it's showing up. Oh, I see. They charge based on contact. Okay, they offer free tools forever. 100k contacts, unlimited emails, 10 users, basic segmentation, template. 500 contacts is €4 monthly, 2,500 contacts is 17. It goes up to 100k contacts for €242. Got it? Does it seem expensive or cheap to me? It seems like a standard price, you know? Maybe a bit high, not gonna lie, but fair. Remember, they include automations, which is valuable. Plus CRM integrations that save you lots of work, right? Of course, it's better to have a CRM with built-in email marketing than paying separately for both, right? It's just that there's been a bit of, well, maybe you haven't chosen the best CRM, you know? I'm sorry. Since they focus solely on email campaigns, their pricing might be a bit higher. I mentioned CRM, but maybe you don't even need one, right? You might just want to send occasional messages to your contacts, that's it. So those are the payment plans, not much else to say, okay? I mean, that's all there is to it, right? The platform itself is free, they only charge for contacts. Well, I hope you found this helpful.